Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. I've got a couple of paintings and a little bit of stickers to share with you all today. These little star ones I thought were so sweet. I love having little projects like this in, just to pass to little people in my life that seem to be showing an interest in diamond painting. I find they can get a reward sort of quick enough to have not, to not get bored with things like stickers. So they're always handy to have on hand and they always seem to disappear. But these stars I thought were really, really sweet. So we have quite a few, well, they're basically just very similar to emojis. So we've got some smiles, a wink, we've got laughing, crying, we've got an angry one. We also have tears, sticking the tongue out, sleeping. Yeah, all different faces across the board. A lot of them are just the yellow colour with a little hint of the light yellow. So let me show you the two yellows. So these are the two yellows that are included, and there actually is both on each of them, but there is a little bit of a highlight. Just a few, but the rest are the one. So great little practice sheet. So on here, we've just got that little bit of shading, and then we have, of course, a few that have either the blue or we have the one that is purely red. This one has the number 3 and the number 5, which is actually a pale blue. So this is probably the only one with 3 colours. All the rest either have 1 or 2. Oh no, sorry, we do have 3 with these. This one actually has 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 5 on this one. So the number 4 is only used on this. This has only got 1. Then most of these have 1 and 2 with that little bit of shading. Then we have a few that have 1, 2 and 3. And then this last one has 1, 2, 3 and 5. So 4 different colours on that last sticker. Once you've built yourself up to that level, maybe you have to start with Mr. Angry Face first and only do the one. But yeah, I always like to have a few sort of things like stickers that are fun for the little people in my life. And to be fair, if they want help, I'm just more than happy to help, because it's always fun to do a few little stickers and then find new homes for them. So that's item number 1. Number 2, we have 2 diamond paintings for the next ones, but this one is down as a 30 by 40. It is in round. It has 23 colours and it does come with your DMC numbers. And I thought this one was just fun. I don't even know what you call this one. What is it? Butterfly and flowers? Has it got clouds or are they hills in the background? Maybe it's artist interpretation. Maybe it's your own interpretation. But there is a 25 by 35 is the actual drill area. Symbols, really nice and clear. You have a little bit of block work, but not really too much. Probably your most is this L in the background, but you've got other colours in there to give you variety. And it comes with bags of drills, all the better. So we have some gorgeous pinks, really nice mustard colour, blues, peach, yellow, orange, greens and greys. There is some black. Yes, it is 310. There is a little bit of black, but that's mainly little accents throughout where you'll find them. But yeah, gorgeous picture, and you do of course get your toolkit. Your standard boat wax pen, and then last but by no means least, this one is more a picture that you can tell what it is. Not that you can't see that that's got birds and flowers, sorry, not as abstract, that's probably more what I meant to say. Because I actually love both types of pictures. I'm trying to get it out without ripping the plastic, but it keeps getting stuck in different places. Are you going to come out, or are you just going to stay in your plastic wrapping the whole time? Is it stuck somewhere? Oh, there we go. Oh, that took a while. It was a little bit of sticky on the bottom of it, that's what it was. This one also comes with a toolkit. This one is a 40 by 40. A little bit more of a sort of winter scene, but I just thought, little, what do you say, donkeys, or do you say little ponies? Either way, absolutely adorable. Talking to a little robin in the snow. Not that I'm wanting snow, just saying it out loud. But it is 35 centimetres by 35 centimetres. Does come with DMC numbers. And again, symbols are really clear. You've got quite a lot of confetti type here to get the shading. I'm going to call them a donkey, though I'm not sure if they are. The donkey's nose. Quite a few different colours make up that, as well as the shading around the ear, etc. A cute little robin next to a little snow-covered holly bush. These are a little bit more subdued colours in this one, but we do have some nice pops of red, of course, Mr. Robin. We do also have some really nice blue that's used in the sky, and while we do have some white, we also have quite a bit of grey that helps to bring those sort of different colours into the sky and around the snow. So a lot more subdued colours in that one. But I think, yeah, quite a nice little variety of diamond paintings for today, depending on what your style is. Or maybe like me and just like them all. There's no problems with that at all. But I will pop the direct links to each of these items down below so that you can go and have a browse, maybe bob one or two of these in your basket, and of course maybe have a wander and see what else you can see to pick up. But yeah, don't forget the little projects for introducing other people to diamond painting. Always handy to have on hand if you're able to spare a few pennies here and there. Or they're handy to do yourself. Just when you feel like being a big kid, really. Enjoy it. But yeah, thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these to share with you all, and for sponsoring today's video. And thank you so much to you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.